Okay, here is the random number. This random number is showing in the 2 7-segment display decoder, and here is the PCB board again. This is the 7447 IC, and here is the another 7447, and here is the 164 IC, which is the SIPO 8-bit register, and we divide it by 4-bit and 4-bit and send it to the 7447 display decoder. Here is our clock timer IC. We send the clock pulse around 1.5 seconds. We can control the clock pulse by this potentiometer, clock pulse frequency. Here is the clock pulse. Here is the capacitor for the clock, and we use 2 power supply. Here is another. Here is one power supply, and here is another power supply from the other line. Now this is our Proteus design, and here we can easily see that the design is developing 2 decimal random number, and here is the clock's 555 timer IC, and here is the register SIPO 164 IC, which we divide by 4-bit and send it to the 7447 decoder, the 7-segment display decoder IC. Here we arrange another circuit arrangement. If this 4-bit password generate 14 decimal, then then the 7-segment display will show something wrong. So we made this circuit arrangement so that 14 will convert to the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 etc. Okay, and I will show you the 6 decimal random number and its random password protected security system, which is the title of our project. Now this Proteus design we implement is the breadboard, not in the PCB, but seeing this now, this is the we use three 164 IC. We use 3 164 ICs to generate 24-bit random signal and send it to the display decoder IC, 7-segment display decoder 7447, and this is our random number which is generating in this Proteus design, and this is going through the encoder also. Here is our encoder, 10 to priority encoder it is, and it is 10 to 4 priority encoder. And here is the comparator IC, or 6 comparator, which is comparate the input and the random password we generate, and then the output, 3 output here. If equal, then this light will show, and if there is unequal, then this LED and this LED will show, and the door will not open. Now I will show you the project in the breadboard in the next video. Okay, next video I will show you the breadboard video. আচ্ছা, এটা আমাদের র্যান্ডম জেনারেটর পাসওয়ার্ড প্রোটেক্টেড সিকিউরিটি সিস্টেমের সার্কিট। তো এটা হচ্ছে ক্লক সিগন্যালের পরে এগুলো শিফট রেজিস্টার। তো এখান থেকে 24 বিট তৈরি হচ্ছে, সেই 24 বিট আমাদের এখানে 7 সেগমেন্ট ডিসপ্লেতে শো করা হচ্ছে যেটা পাসওয়ার্ড আর কি হিসেবে কাজ করবে। এখানে 6 ডেসিমাল পাসওয়ার্ড ব্যবহার করা হবে, ওইটা ইউজার ইনপুট দিলেই শুধুমাত্র সিকিউরিটি সিস্টেমটা খুলবে। এখানে এগুলো হচ্ছে 7 সেগমেন্ট ডিসপ্লের ড্রাইভার আইসি 7447, আর এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের কম্পারেটর আইসি